Hello everyone. So let me introduce you to the need for synchronization. First of all, there is a very simple problem. Let's say you have a variable called as balance, okay, and it has some value which is let's say 10,000, okay. Now you have two functions, basically deposit and withdraw, okay. Now for example, let's just focus on one function, let's say deposit. When the function deposit has to act on this balance, let's say someone wants to deposit 500 into this, okay, deposit 500 rupees, and there is concurrently there is another request to deposit, let's say, 1,000 rupees into this account. Now what will happen is this value will be read and brought into the main memory for the editing purpose, okay. So 10,000 plus 500, and now this value has to be written back to the variable so that the variable will become 10,500. However, what is the problem that takes place is this particular, before this particular write operation. Okay, so what I'm saying here is this is, let's say, write the result. Okay, write 10,500. Before this operation can take place, this particular thread is, let's say, faster. Okay, this particular thread is faster and it writes 11,000. So this particular thread has read the old value of the deposit of the balance, that is 10,000, and it worked on it, it deposited 1,000 and it writes 11,000. Now what will happen is, as a result of this, so this takes place first and this, okay, this takes place first and this takes place second. So as a result of this, what happens is balance will be equal to 10,500. Okay, it should have been 11,500, right? It should have been 11,500. So what should have ideally happened is, while one thread is updating the balance, so the moment this thread has accessed the balance value, or let's say it has declared that, this is, let's say, thread T1 and this is, let's say, thread T2. So when you know that T1 is working on the balance variable, T2 should be blocked or stopped from working on the same balance variable. Okay. So once the T1 finishes updating the balance, only then T2 should be allowed to work on the balance. Or vice versa, if T2 gets the access to balance variable first, then allow it to finish its write operation first and then allow T1 to finish its write operation. So this is the need for synchronization when two threads are working on a shared resource. They are working on a shared resource. Okay. Like two people who are trying to deposit to the same account. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.